In the summer of 2018, we did our first longer motorcycle trip in Norway. This year we decided to visit Norway once again. If you liked my videos from last year, I hope you will like my video from this year even better. There you have our campsite for tonight. It's Vinje. Hi there. It's 5:36 in the morning and I am making coffee and we had slept well tonight, even though it is a lot of sound from the river, from the waterfall, but that was no problem. This is our third night. The first night was in Trysil, and the second night was in Trollstigen resort, and this is Vinje Camping in Geiranger. Our plan was to go to Viksdalen over road E39, but because of some type of landslide, I think this road is closed. So instead we will go down to Lom, and after that we are going down to a place called Nigardsbreen, which is a part of Jostedalsbreen. And after that we have to see. The plan is to stay at Nigardsbreen tonight, hopefully. Now I have to proceed with my coffee. Bye. This part of the road that we drive on now is closed in the winter time. I think it closed in September, and then it's open in June again. And the other month of the year the road is closed, and they don't take away the snow in the winter. It's a little colder here up in the mountain. Nej, det var det inte. Den där har kommit efter. 1,000 meters above sea level. The air is so thin, I can't breathe. Here you can see where the road is closed. We were here in Easter this year, but the road wasn't open that time, so we had to go through the tunnel and back and forward on this road. Hi there. We had made a short stop to making a cup of coffee and clean our visors on the helmet. We had left Geiranger and we are on our way down to Skjåk, and after that Lom, where we will change road to 55 and driving through Jotunheimen National Park, beside of Jotunheimen National Park, to Nigardsbreen. That's close to Joones. Nigardsbreen is a part of Jostedalsbreen, if you can find Jostedalsbreen on a map. Well, that's all for this coffee break. Bye. That was a short coffee break and visor cleaning, and suddenly the sun is back. We thought it was cloudy, but it was all the flies on the visor. Fram, nu kommer 1434 meters over sea level. Turtagrö. Last year when we was here, it was a broken tractor in this hill. No, not Siri. No. Go asleep again, Siri. No. Go to sleep, Siri. Somna om. Somna om igen, Siri. Jo då. Jag kör motorcykel. Jag har inte tid att prata. Tack. Jag vet inte varför hon ville prata helt plötsligt. Siri. Ja. När jag sa någonting om att förra året när vi var här så var det en trasig traktor. Och sen började hon. Hej. Siri här. Vad kan jag hjälpa dig med? Ingenting. No, sa jag. Ett arkitektkontor i Stockholm? Nej, somna om. Ja, visst. Nu är vi snart nere. Ja, det är några till. En höger och en vänster till i alla fall som jag kan se. Ja. Vänster. Hi there. We had stopped 4 kilometers from Gaupne, and after Gaupne we have about, I guess, 35 kilometers to Nigardsbreen. Bye bye. Hello.